Come on, Ben. You can't give up now. You got it.
Mikey.
I see it. Bring it down here. We'll let it talk to the camera. What do you got to say for yourself, little birdie?
You're a raptor. It's either a raptor or a bald eagle.
Look at them paws, man.
Now,
See if it'll scratch my face.
I think it's a bald eagle.
I think it's a velociraptor. No, it's a pterodactyl. Yeah, that's it.
Well, that's all today for the nature show.
All right.